beautiful people, this is Eva TV program. How na dey? I just come out today make I just talk for one matter like that, for one of our brother when just dey vex dey carry dey talk about these people when dey rent one room out from their house when dem too rent. So when I watch that video, na one brother send am to me. I look am finish, I say well, maybe this brother no understand wetin dey happen. So I wan use this opportunity just take if e still this video still reach am, make e still watch am, make e lis ten to my little advice when I wan still give am. No be say na bad thing o, but na wetin dey go on na im be that. He no go understand. No be say I dey support am say wetin dem dey do e good o. I just wan explain my own part how e dey be. Even me, no be say I give one room for person for my house, because I no dey give, I no like am. So that brother, you dey talk am say this person give you one room, say that room na small money dem take carry the whole house wey dem carry, say but dem go come dey take am dey give one room out, and dem go come give una for that kind amount when you talk. Say dem go give the room out, one little room dem go give am out like that, like 200 euro. Yes, you talk am like that, e dey easy for your mouth like that, very simple. Make I tell you, make I first start with this one. The brother carry that house, or the sister, when he carry that house, before he carry that house, he pass somewhere like agent. So the agent will now tell am say, you go, before I give you this house, you get to pay like 3 months, some 4 months, some dey even dey ask now 5 months. They will see if you get 5 months, they will ask for that money. And no be say before you get that house e easy o. I will come for that one, I will still explain that one. So you go come pay that deposit. When you pay am finish, before you go come pay that agency money. Na inside all those money when I dey talk, so inside those months when I talk, na you go still comot the agent money inside. So when you comot am finish, you go come give am the house. That house now, he go come say you go come look am, say maybe only she or only he no fit stay. You go come give one room out or 2 room, maybe if the house big. If you give am out like that, e share am. My brother, no look how much e take give you the room. You understand? The time when you with am when you wan agree say you wan stay the house, you suppose to know. When he tell you the price, you say brother, I no go fit pay like that, see how much I get. If you gree, fine. If you no gree, you leave and you go find another place. You understand? No be wetin dem dey talk about or dey quarrel about. You start to dey calculate how much you dey pay for the house. You fit look and say maybe dey pay small money there. He put a heavy amount, tell you say maybe you dey pay so amount like this. E get as e be. No look that one. Na house you come carry. Leave that person with him own life, not dig into the life of the person. You understand? Wetin I wan talk be say, you make one comment, you say if maybe dem get many children for house with the wife, the same bill na you and dem go dey pay. Dem share the bill reach you, say this amount na you go pay. That one e dey bad. I will still come for that one, still address that issue. You see that bill when e come, so when you know say e share am for you, you go call am say this bill when you share, so how many places you share am? E go tell you. If you no like am, you explain to am say see o, now let me dey this room, why I go dey pay this kind bill? E too much now. Make you still reason am. If na person wey get conscience, you go understand, you go know say yes, the thing wey he dey do say e no good, he go remove for you. And again, before you go carry that house, you no see am say children dey that house, you no see am say dem many. na that one you go still think before you go carry the house. You go know say if house like that dey, the first month when you dey there, they share that kind bill like that, and the thing wey you do, instead of more na dey quarrel, you just suffer, look for a way, find another house, you pack comot. Na so e dey be. And again, you make one comment say even though person wan come greet you, say dem no go gree, the next thing maybe the person come go stay like 3 days. How many months, how many weeks you want make the person come stay your house? You want make e come stay for the one room when you carry for person house, make e come stay there for, make e stay there like 2 weeks, 1 month with you inside there? E no good. You think am now. And maybe if na like this palazzo, this full building wey be say contain different apartments, you know oyibo, dem no dey like as dem see say people dey go dey come dey go dey come, before you know dem don call the landlord, and that person now, landlord go call am, maybe go give am quick notice say make e comot. Before, if you rent house, you go dey your house, just to open door you enter your house jejeje. E no dey for say make you dey pack friend. I know say make you no carry one friend, 2 friend. If e come e visit you, go in house, must that person come sleep with you for that house, come dey stay with you for that 3 days when you give yourself? Even try. For this oyibo people, dem no dey even like make somebody come even greet. That thing when you dey talk, e don cause problem for everywhere now. E get person when I know na almost 2 years now, e dey find house e never see, some 1 year they never see. Especially if you get children, once you go this agent place, you tell them say then you dey find house, the first thing when they will ask you how many room you dey find. When you tell them, they will come ask how many una be for family. If you say you get wife and children, they no go like to give you. Why? Because they know say when they give una that house finish, now they pack people come the house. Before you know, the person as he don born and he don use the pikin, don take over, you no go like to pay, because through that place they find government house. So na be the thing. Make you not think and say you carry house for somebody house, say the person he must allow you make you dey pack people come the house. E no good. You just dey house now, person when you no know before for outside, maybe una see each other, una no know, una just pass each other, before you know e will come your house. Some will even come your house, they no go greet you, they will do like say no be person dey there. As you dey talk now, e very easy, but na another problem again, because I don experience this kind thing well. You go dey your house, you no know somebody before. The person wey even dey the person house sef, e go open the door, e go open am half, so that when e wan enter, make the owner of the house no know. Before you know, you go see the person go enter house. Na so they will pack enter. That one room when dem give you, you go come pack people food, now they drink beer, put music. And when the problem will come, na the person when he rents that house for that agent hand, and that person that will call. Anything happen for that house, then fight to anything, na that person. And that person that time, now he go come bring himself, come and say, nah, he do the thing. Whereas not be do the thing. Now somebody when put for that house, when he say make it come, they pay just one room inside there. Now in they cost that one. And now the reason when you be say even that one room self, you even see and make you thank God. Because many people they find room now to stay, they don't even see. No house. No house, apartment people don't see. One room to stay with one person, they don't see. To even live, they don't see. They know they agree give house again. Because anywhere where you go now, they'll say, once you then just know say you be black, nobody won't give you house. Now by his grace, neither they see. This time around, you know, of course, say you get work or you get fees work, you get money to pay. Now make them give you the house, now you go they fight for. Any amount when they will say make you pay for the month for deposit, now you go they fight, make you pay. Not be say money no dey there, but to give the house because of all this problem. And again, if the person no gree give you hospitality for the house when you dey stay, e no still good, because and again if you get many children, e no go fit. E no go fit. That's why before you go enter that house, you get to look am. See say the people too much for the house, you know go not be everybody, because as you dey do that thing there, na so then they counter how many people dey that place. Una dey look and say na common hospitality. No, not be common hospitality. Then they record everything. Even now, before, if you want to do hospitality for person, you just go see the paper. No, now they will want make your landlord or your landlady make you sign the paper, present in document, put before they will accept. They will know say yes, the owner of the house. Even before when they do residence, no landlord they interfere for the matter. But before you know, now almost I think about 7 years now or 8 years, if I'm not making mistake. Now then change the law. Say make landlord must sign to say yes, he agree, say that person, if they stay that house, he know. So before they will give you that resident. The same thing, they don't change them too. I don't know whether na so it be for other places, but na so it be for where they stay. The landlord must sign paper, say yes, he know, say the person they stay there. So my brother, not be like that, Nothing can say easy like that. And again, I want to use this opportunity talk to una when be so now will go carry house. Now they park people put, especially you get children. E no good. If you go where you won't carry house, the agent tell you say this is the amount. First of all, you first look your income. Look am. If you and your wife they work, make una join hand together, make una too they pay that house rent. Now go pay am. Una no even dey think about una children. Una just carry stranger one una no know. Put am up because una dey speak the same language. Una come for the same place. Una just carry person, una just put am for una house. Una no know who e be. Una no dey see wetin dey happen. That one no good. You dey risk your children life and your life to carry somebody you just put am for house. Say make e come stay the names of you wan collect money. That money when you that house rent when they tell you make you dey pay, you no wan pay at all, just as that boy talk. Say dem will wan pay, dem will want make you pay all their rentage money, which is true. You see some people that will carry house. They will just dey one room with the children. They manage am, squeeze themselves for that place. Pack people for the restroom. The children no go get their room. They no go get their freedom. Just because your greediness, you won't gather money, you no wan spend money at all. Person when he give you house, the tax when they pay, he dey calculate the rentage. Then for here, then they know amount when they put am when their tax so low in case they won't pay tax of that house. Now they say they give you that rentage, but you now they don't give you. The next thing now you won't gain past the owner of the house. You won't start. Wetin you no fit do for where you for come, now you won't do somebody here. You pack people put for house. At the end, you no go even pay the house rent at all. You no go pay. Children go dey the house. And the boy dey right. How you go get like 3 children or 4 children and 2 children? The same bill you dey share for the same person where you give am one room there. You know dey right. As you dey share the bill, share am for everybody. Even though I know say if you wan talk now, you say na one TV una dey watch. No, share the bill together. The water when the children take the bath nko. If you know dey, the children, even the children now, they will get their phone to plug. They still they use the bill. You go share and equal. As you read, you don't be saying only you go they gain, the person go they lose. No. And that place when that person go get the money, so it's not easy. It's not easy. He go pay you that money for just as that boy talk, he pay you that 200 for one room. Again, he go pay light bill, he go pay water bill, he go pay gas bill. Everything. And again, you won't do hospitality for them, you will collect money for them, which is very bad. You don't get conscience. If the person they pay your house rent every month, you still they gain. They reduce your house rent. Why you will say you won't go do that hospitality for that person? You go still take money. You're not supposed to take money from your hand. You know they right. You're supposed to do it free of charge. Because he too know they pick money for grant. As you they find, may you gain. The person too get to gain in own. He go inside some, go suffer. Especially all those ones when they go beg. They go beg that money, gather that money for that whole month. Can't even get that money 200 give you for your house rent. You know go even pity am. You go still carry you carry B, you go share and equal. And now they use and pass because una many. and in na only that in old belle na in dey do for. I know say that they cook, all these our people they cook. Me I know they talk of those one when they pack friend they come house. So I dey talk of the one where live decent for the house, not be the one where they pack friends that will they come, the one where they go, the one where they come. The person where rent the house, you know, will see mouth talk. I know they blame them for that one, because now we even call them say come stay house. If we don't give you that one rooms, you no go see chance say you want pack people come. They take them. The one way be say they do good to your house, you know, they carry people, they carry them up and down. May you respect that person, and especially again the one when they talk when this problem they around. So this koro when they say if a landlord not take money for you, because me I not here, me I pay my house rent for that one. For house rent me I pay, but some people call their landlord, especially the ones who not get work. The landlord not take money for them. They not take money. Then say may they not pay. But if you did that kind level, you see say then tell you may you not pay house rent. Say may you not pay, and the person wey dey your house, you know in condition too. Not be say you go work. Some na beg, then they beg you. They will that money when they go beg, so they don't let them go stand go beg. And now this problem dey ground. You say you no wan leave that house rent. My brother or my sister, you dey wicked. You dey wicked. You no good at all. Only you just dey gain. You don't feel live am for am. Say this thing when happen, so look, and you still think where that person they get am. If that person when they work, you say okay, everybody many when they have they pay them as fees. Some they not even get. Some they pay them like they just pay then leave them like that. They never give them. Some they say me they can't take that 600. If it dey like that, you will wait until they pay that person that money. Not be say you can't they drag am. Say make he can't pay you. Now if you pay house rent, now they talk. Don't be say when the landlord leave am for you, say make you not pay, you will come they drag the person, say make you come pay. Use that opportunity, still do good for the person. Say make you leave am since it be like this. It not good. When I will just carry the see as the boy they talk, say if then they in a house now they envy them. Why now go they envy them? That's when just they come and let them start life. Don't be say you they envy them. It not good. It not good for me. I don't know. Now so the boy talk say that they envy him, but I don't know. But if you be landlord, I know what I want call. I don't even know whether na landlord or whether na tenant or I don't even know, because that's when you don't get to take and they collect money, get as it be. Not be landlord be that. If you they envy who rents one room for your house, and you they work, you they envy him. You be wicked person, and you not good at all, because God not like that kind of thing. Say you the envy person when be say he carry one room for your house because he can't say they eat. You they jealous. You not good. You not even supposed to go they look that person pot or look how he live. Now house you rent for your house, not be life you buy for your hand. I think you hear. Now just one room. Now you rent inside your house. You not renting life for your hands. I think you hear. So it's not good. And many of them now one they do this thing. So you will see you come from that side. Life when you go they live for here, maybe you get house for that side now. You will come here one room now you will they manage with your children. You don't want to give those children good life. You they manage, they squeeze and all the name you won't gather money, you won't gather. Now this one we they talk now, greeting every day. Una won't just be once make una just make am carry people, they cheat people, they make your life, which is very bad. You're not good at all. So if you be landlord, I don't know wetin I want call now. No be you be tenant when you rent out for agent house. When you see give somebody one room, and you they cheat that person, and you maybe be come, you change am to be another way. You change am as another level. May you stop am. You don't dey right, because all those things they set person back. Because money when you not be your, if you chop am wrongly, it dey hook person for neck. Now very bad thing. You dey do am today now they sweet you, but tomorrow you will answer. You will answer that message. That bad thing when you do, you must answer am, because today they sweet you, tomorrow you feel bad. And when the thing don't set now, you no go know say now that bad when you do now it cause all those things. you go think say maybe na dem dey pursue you for una village or na one thing na im dey pursue you dey come. You no go know say na that thing when you take cheat somebody, you eat stealing by trick na you do, na the thing na im come dey worry you. So e no good. No say I just see the opportunity make I finish am because na JJC. E no good. No take wetin no be your own. No eat money when e no be your own. I think you hear. And you, my brother, you when you still carry one room for person house, make you still try. No make problem with the person. If you see say wetin the person dey do, you no like am, just find another house you comot. I know say e no easy to get house now. If una get house, I use this opportunity tell una make una hold am well o, because nobody dey get house easy again o. These people not ready to give us house again o. They say they no want, they no dey gree give anybody house again. Make una just take time. If una dey any place, make una respect the place. Make una just maintain una self, keep that house. If God say you will get your own tomorrow, you must get your own. You just start now. One day you too you'll get your own house. I think you understand. Just be patient. God will do everything for you. So now this one be the little advice when I bring come. So for all of una, one dey subscribe for my YouTube channel. I thank all of una. God will bless all of una. As una know my own dey do for me, na so God will do una own for una own. Una here, abeg make una still continue. Make una press that like button and subscribe. Thank you. God bless you all.